Hey people, well, I just had to show off my newest acquisition before I forget. This here's a 1972 Happy Home made by McGraw Edison for the Woolworth and Woolco stores. Yes, I did get a fan just like this a while back. This one's in much nicer shape. And also comes with the original box, as well as the original paperwork. First, have a look at the box. Here's the front of it. Now, a little bit of wear on the corner. The back's the same. Here's the left side. At that time, these fans are sold to both Woolworths and Woolco. Used to be just Woolworths, then it later became both Woolworth and Woolco. I remember Woolco because we had a Woolco store where I grew up in Baytown, Texas, just east of Houston. Now let's look at the other side. On the side is the guarantee. Satisfaction guaranteed over the counter replacement or money refunded at your Woolworth store. Happy Home. And there's the shipping information. This particular one was delivered to a Woolco department store in Las Vegas, July 19th of 1972. So this indeed is the 1972 model. Back of the box is the same. There's the top. Distributed by Woolworth Company of New York, New York. On the bottom of the box, there's a little pink tag. I don't know whether that was the price tag or what. Maybe it was. Yeah, maybe it was. Here's the paperwork that came with it. And there's the little instruction deal. That's the first thing. Have it all, it's all stapled together. There's the models of fans. Models of fans. The instructions, oiling the fan and safety rules. And here we have the appliance guarantee and service information. That's stapled together, so I'll be able to open it so far. And here's on the front page is the warranty information. Yeah. And then there are all the places where you could service the fan back in the day. discontinued on the back. And here's the original receipt. All comes out to $15. Again, this is purchased at Woolco store. While the fan was shipped to the store in July of '72, this was purchased on the 4th of July in '73, so it kind of set the store for nearly a year. Now onto the fan itself. As you can see, it's that light avocado color. There's one side. The other side is that light avocado color. Turn to the other side. I'm going to use this little iPhone, that's all I have. And there's, on the other side, there's some blemishes on the cabinet. Nothing major though. If the thing were completely mint with no blemishes, I wouldn't bother using it on a rollabout stand, but seeing it's not all that perfect, maybe I can use it on the stand. Now let's turn it to the back. Oh, darn it. Same McGraw Edison motor mount and same motor. It's got kind of bent, back grill's kind of bent in that section right there and out this way. Now I'll turn it back around. There's the top. It's the McGraw Edison handle. Yeah, this is a more sturdier handle, not the strap handle. There's the speed dial and the little thing that has the speeds on it. Same as the old rusty one that I have that I plan to give away. There's the deal in the upper left side of the grill. Happy Home. There goes my clock. Pardon that bit of interruption. This is Happy Home, your symbol of quality. Okay, now let's run the thing. Speeds are the same as on the other one, but you don't have that motor buzz that the other one has. So here's high. Medium. Low. Back to high. And as always, OFF smells off. And it has decent coast down time. So there you have it. This is my 1972 Happy Home. which was made by McGraw Edison for the Woolworth and Woolco stores, with the original box and paperwork. So, thank you for watching.